He appeared there. We were jettisoned here together, but her sleep capsule malfunctioned. The rest of us, we didn't age. She woke up. She was old. She thought she'd lost everything. Her youth, her beauty. She made me swear on blood she would never lose me.
Who is she?
Her name is Katrina.
What is it? You'll be going soon. You'll be leaving me. How do you know? I heard them talking. Shepard and your lady. You'll be leaving me tomorrow. You, Shepard, Desmond, man. You'll all be leaving me. I'll be missing you. True girl. I miss you too.
Oh, what a pretty picture. You shouldn't be looking at an old woman that way, child. You will take years off my life.
So you're leaving?
Not that I don't love it here.
The rest did you well. One must be careful up there in the cold.
I'll keep that in mind. Shame you won't be joining us.
Danziger, I want you to make me one promise.
I don't make promises.
No matter what happens, take care of Devon.
I take care of all my friends.
So, ready to go?
Yeah.
Good.
Very well, then. The elder will show you the way out.
Thank you for everything.
I thought you said you weren't leaving without that guy.
Yes, well, things change.
Don't worry yourself that way, John. Otherwise, next time I'm going to leave you to freeze out there.
I'll take better care.
Goodbye, little missy.
Bye. Got a great place down.
I'm glad you two found each other.
Stop walking in front of the video. Oh, what?
Just wait a second. We can't go yet.
Come on, let's get out of here. It's freezing.
I don't see him, Douglas.
Who? You don't see who, Shrew?
Shepard. Isn't he coming with us?
What are you talking about?
How did you know that, Shrew?
The little boy told me he was coming.
The boy? How did he know that?
I don't know.
Did he tell anyone else?
What's this about?
Could anyone else have heard him, Shrew?
Katrina, the old lady. She was in the shadows.
Devin, we agreed he wasn't coming with us.
Stay here.
Hey, what are you doing?
He's in danger. I'm going to go for him.
No way. We decided we're going to go back to camp. We made it out of there.
Trust me. I know what I'm doing. Stay here with True. Start at the Doom Mill. I'll be fine. I'll be right back.
What are you doing down here?
It's Katrina. She knows. She heard
We gotta
everything.
get you out of here. It isn't safe. Come on, go, go.
die together.
We found each other.
He'll find you, Devon. He'll find you again.
I'll make sure of it, true girl.
Don't mind your home, Mom.
Me too, Huey. Me too.
Okay.